Hi guys, haven't done one of these for a little while. Picked up a vape. Don't see many around, but I just thought I'd check, see if they've changed at all since the last time I stripped them down. It's one of those elf bars. Got teeth marks on the mouthpiece there. Yeah, we'll just pull it apart and just have a look. See if anything's changed. Well, this end looks the same as normal. Got the sensor there that when you breathe through there, that detects the air flowing past and switches on the heater. You can see the battery in there. Nope, nothing's changed. No, that might be a slightly smaller battery. Your vape liquid's in there along with the heater, which is on the end of those black wires. I'm not going to open it, it's just going to leak out over my fingers. So battery goes up to the sensor there. Sensor controls when the power goes from the battery to the heater. And as I say, no change. Some of them have got nice little integrated circuits in them now, circuit boards, and the batteries are plug-ended, but this one isn't. So I'll save the battery, the rest of it can go in the bin. I've got loads of these sensors, I don't really need to save that either.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.